Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a brief review of Upstart's earnings results that had investors so displeased with the fintech company. The stock was down tremendously following the announcements for this report, so let's see if the fall was justified or not. The major theme here is that the headwinds worsened for Upstart stock. Total revenue decreased by 31% in the third quarter to 157 million. This is a major reversal from a company that was growing the top line so quickly in recent quarters. The net loss of 56.2 million was a turnaround from a profit of 29 million compared to the same quarter in the last year. Bank partners originated 188,000 loans in the third quarter, which was down by 48%. The reason for this was two-sided. For one, the conversion on rate requests was 10%, down from 23% in the same quarter last year. Of course, the conversion rate is the number of loans transacted divided by the number of loan applicants. This means that fewer people are getting approved for loans on the Upstart platform. This is now coupled with the fact that investors are not enthusiastic about funding these loans. Investors are not jumping in and saying, "Oh, let's purchase these loans that were originated by Upstart," because the macroeconomic backdrop does not look good. They fear an upcoming recession, which they don't know how long it will be or how deep it will be. And so investors are becoming more cautious in their lending on that side. And so management expects these challenges to continue in the fourth quarter. No end in sight for these macroeconomic headwinds. I expect it to persist even beyond the fourth quarter as well. And thankfully, in a prudent financial move, management has slashed its sales and marketing expense from 93 million to 56 million year over year. You don't want to be investing in advertising to try and attract customers when you don't have funding secured for these loans, and also at the same time the customer qualifications are much lower. So if you attract 100 customers to apply for a loan on your platform, you're approving a much smaller percentage of these loans. Instead of 23, you're now only approving 100 of these applicants. And so each applicant's value has decreased year over year. And so you want to decrease your advertising budget because your long-term customer value has also decreased, and you want to balance that by decreasing your customer acquisition spending. So prudent decision here by management. And then they also decided to repurchase shares of Upstart stock worth about 25 million during the third quarter. This to me signals that management maybe thinks their stock is undervalued. Maybe they're trying to send a signal to the market to stop the selling in Upstart stock. The stock price is down significantly, not just following the report, but for all of 2022 and even going back since the highs Upstart stock reached in 2021. Nevertheless, the stock is down and there is justification for the stock price falling. I would say revenue falling, customer conversion rates falling, a poor macroeconomic backdrop. Perhaps we're heading into a recession. We don't know how deep that will be. Inflation is forcing the Federal Reserve to continue raising interest rates rapidly, which is disrupting financial markets, causing growth to slow down. This is not a time you want to be invested in a lending company, let alone a upstart lending company, one that's just getting started. And so, yeah, I would say the fall in the stock price is justified for Upstart stock. Okay, so that's all I've got for this earnings update. Thank you for watching, and if you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.